Hi guys, Jeff Clark, Sources Apprentice. So yesterday's live video didn't go so well. I tried to take you guys with me on a ride along to a garage sale, and then I lost cell signal. So my video dropped out of the Facebook group, tried to do a Facebook Live. But then I recorded a video showing, with a walk around of the garage sale, showing the things I was looking at. Well, today I want to show you the things that I actually bought and the results of my research. You ready? All right, so again, this is all just one garage sale. The first thing I grabbed were these two lighting fixtures. You can see the picture of it there. This one was 20 bucks. This one was also 20 bucks. And both have rank on Amazon. This one was like 700,000. This one's 400,000. And I listed these for 125, 135 respectively there. But so again, I paid 20 bucks each. And you can see, I hate this when garage sales do this, when they write in marker on the packaging the price, because this is going to go to my buyer. Well, I don't want them to know that I paid 20 bucks if they're paying me 135, right? So this is what I do. Let me show you what I do. Drop my marker here. There we go. I take a fat black marker and just block all this out, okay? I just like go, you know, a block here and a square here and a square here and then a square over the dollar sign. Do that, and then I cover that with white stickers, and you can't see it. The reason that I black it out first is because I don't want these dark numbers, and especially the dollar sign, to bleed through the white, right? And you can't really see even the black blocks here, but I think it's best to be safe. And, you know, you might look at this and think, well, when the buyer gets that, aren't they going to wonder why there's stickers on their box? No, they're not. I've done this hundreds of times, and I have never, ever had a buyer contact me and say, what the heck are these stickers on the box? They don't care about the box, right? What they care about is the lighting fixture. They care about what's in the box. So I think as sellers, we obsess a little too much sometimes over the packaging versus, now we want our packaging to look good, okay? I don't want really beat up packaging that I'm calling new, okay? If there's damage to the packaging, I'm going to call it like new at best, right? But I think sometimes we obsess a little too much over, you know, what the packaging looks like and realize the buyer really wants the item. Like, I'm the same way. If I got a box with these stickers on it, I don't give a crap about the stickers. I'm going to open it up and I want to get to the light fixture, right? Okay, that's enough about that. This, the Sears Engine Analyzer comes in this box. That's $10, and there's a lot of solds on eBay for $30, $35 plus shipping. So that was a good buy. So far, 3 really good buys. This was also a very good buy. Paid $4 for this. It's a Hunter ceiling fan remote, low rank on Amazon, $39 FBA. So that's a very, very good find. This I thought was really cute. Farmhouse Collection Tablecraft. Paid $5 for that. There is a listing on Amazon. Rank is pretty high. Sells for like 30 bucks. So, you know, I'm going to go ahead and list it on Amazon. I might list it on eBay too, just for cross-listing purposes. See what I can get out. But I'm pretty sure I can make money there. This is a Demora. Here, let me move this thing. Demora 16-piece stoneware dinnerware set. I've never heard of Demora, and apparently no one else has either, because the brand name is nowhere on Amazon. I found one listing on eBay for a different dinnerware set, and no solds. So this might have been a dud purchase. I only paid 10 bucks for it. I will list it on eBay. You know what? I might even create an Amazon listing for it. I'm not sure. But hopefully I can get my money back from that. If not, we'll see. This one I thought was a no-brainer. How cool is this? An antique cod liver oil bottle. And it's got the bottle in here with actually some oil in it, which I'm not going to, you know, advertise the oil. I'm just going to advertise the packaging. Looking at listings on eBay, there's a lot of current listings, not a whole lot of sold listings for antique cod liver oil bottles. And they're priced anywhere from 10 to like 20 bucks. And I couldn't find any of this brand. So hopefully the packaging and the unique brand will help to sell this. But I paid $5 for that, so that might have been a dud too. So these two here are possible not good purchases, but everything else I'm pretty happy with, especially these things back here, right? So that's it. Leave me some comments and tell me what you're finding in your sourcing.